How to add phone number on Temu app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a number. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So here you must tap on account security. So this is the section where all your details are available. Now on the first option, you can see mobile phone number. Tap on this add button. Now first you must select the region where you are in. So select the region where you are in order to add the number. So for example, I'm selecting Nepal in my section. Now enter the number. You must enter a number and a verification code will be sent to your number, and you'll be able to add it permanently in this Temu application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.